Hi students, what is this picture denotes? The diagram illustrates the process of gas exchange occurring between a capillary body tissue, often referred as internal respiration. Okay? Red blood cells. Here you are seeing the red blood cells. These cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Oxygen shown moving out of the blood থেকে বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে into the surroundings tissue cells to be used by cellular respiration. Okay, next carbon dioxide shown moving into the blood from the tissue cells as a waste product of metabolism. Next, capillary wall. This thin capillary wall boundary through which this gaseous exchange takes place very easily.